Hello, my name is Joy Wisdom, and I just wanted to remind you about my wonderful opportunity to be with Pause Live on the 4th of October, exposing menstrual to menopause issues, of which, if you know me, I am very passionate about the subject. On the day, I will be having a stand, but also taking part in a workshop and a Q&A panel to talk about PMDD. This is a subject that is not well known. It is severe PMT, but it comes with lots of complications around mental and emotional health. My many, many years of working and specializing in mental and emotional health issues know that hormones are at the back of a lot of this, how we can help to support women in a different approach. PMDD can even give suicidal thoughts, self-harm, all of these emotional and mental issues that are not considered and very much underestimated in women's health. Long-term issues from hormonal and, of course, previous historical issues around depression, anxiety, maybe postnatal depression, etc. And of course, we also have the genetic, the family lineage impacts of mental health. So there can be an awful lot of strands to the person's symptoms and the complications that come with it. As an integrated body, mind, emotion, long time professional, I can tell you that it's underlying, PTSD is underlying in most people because of the shock, the trauma that we live today. So come and see us. The time of the workshop is 1:15 till 2:30. There is a very small fee to pay, which is £5, and you can book that online at Pause Live. All the money is a donation towards menopause and cancer charity. So we are supporting a very good cause. Look forward to seeing you. Come and find me at Joy Wisdom Trust and a Luna stand. And you can find out more on my website, www.allonus.co.uk or joywisdomtrust.org.